In this video, we're going to cover the hydrogenation of alkenes, also called catalytic reduction of alkenes. So this reaction takes an alkene and adds hydrogen across that double bond, giving us an alkane. It's a very clean reaction. There's no rearrangements, no intermediates, no carbocations, just Syn-addition of hydrogen atoms on our metal catalyst surface. Let's look at the general reaction for this. So the general reaction is going to be our alkene plus our H2. And whenever we have H2, we're also going to have a metal catalyst. So you might see platinum, palladium, or perhaps nickel. There's a couple others, but these are some of the three big ones. Now, we're going to have Syn-addition. The Syn, S-Y-N, means same side. And this is because when we are flat on our metal catalyst surface, the orientation of our hydrogen molecule and our alkene causes the two hydrogens to join on the same side. Meaning our product is going to be an alkane where the hydrogens join on the same side. So the double bond gets reduced and it loses the pi bond, and two new carbon-hydrogen bonds form. Looking a little bit more at the catalyst surface, it does two things. It absorbs the hydrogen molecule and breaks it into the individual hydrogen atoms, and then it absorbs the alkene and holds it in place so those hydrogens can add again on the same side. And this is because both hydrogens add from the same face of the double bond, just the way it holds it. This is one of the simplest, but also one of the most important alkene reactions, and when you get tested, they want to check your knowledge on the Syn-addition. If this video helped, please consider liking and subscribing, as it really helps the channel. And if you want to see more organic chemistry content, the playlist should be on your screen now. Thank you so much for watching.